guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have with me, who's this?
Emma.
Who's this?
Hey.
And I'm Samantha, and we are unboxing My First Reading Club. We've done a few of these in the past, so y'all already know that we're a pretty big fan of these books. Yeah, what'd you say?
Yeah, I like them.
And so we're pretty excited to open and see what's inside this one. So, let's dive in.
Wait, are you gonna go swimming? Oh my gosh.
Ooh, on top we have something for Mom. A vegetable soap. Let's see if we can smell it. What do you think?
I smell it. Oh, it smells good.
It smells good.
Ooh.
And some body lotion.
Look.
Oh! Paigey! Who is? Oh gosh, it smells so good.
Elsa Anna.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Elsa Anna. Hold on. It's got to slip over the cover. So this one has a cover on it. The boy in number 4. You want to hold it?
Yes.
And then we got Elsa Anna. Show Daddy Elsa Anna. The Boy and the Whale. Gosh, this book is gorgeous. Let's look inside, girls. Hold on, Paigey Poo. Hold on.
That's my
Oh,
book.
easy to read too. Very pretty. Okay, you want to hold this one? And then this is what? Learn to Draw Adventure Time. Do you have a love bug on you? Oh, Emma, look! You can learn to draw all these things.
I do.
You too? Okay, so we got a book to draw with.
Can I have that?
Just a second, please. We've got a book to read. What do you have, Paigey? Just a second, please. An Anna Elsa book. It has, how'd you see those? Look how fast she saw those. Stickers. Hold on. And The Boy in the Well. So we got 4 boxes and a mom gift. The link that I have provided is from a past unboxing, but it gives you all the details on how to sign up and what the price is. You give it a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Me too. How about you, Paigey? Excellent. What do y'all tell My First Reading Club?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And
Yeah.
we'll see you guys later. Say bye, y'all.